Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Reddy Varakantham and I'm a supply chain consultant for more than 18 years and I have worked across various industries like manufacturing industries, retail and many other industries which are into supply chain. And today I'll be speaking about how artificial intelligence is transforming the modern supply chain decision making. So, with my vast experience in the supply chain and the enterprise systems, integrating different enterprise systems, I have seen how organizations are moving from the reactive operations to the more intelligent, predictive ecosystems. So, in this presentation, I'll walk you through some practical applications of AI, the business impact, the implementation challenges, and what the future looks like. The transformative role of AI in the modern supply chain decision making. So, today's supply chains are no longer just about like moving products from one place to another place. They are becoming like very intelligent systems powered by AI and real time data. So this transformation is helping organizations improve like the forecasting, reduce operational risk, optimize logistics, and make faster business decisions. So in this presentation, we'll look at how AI is becoming a key driver for supply chain innovation. So AI is rewriting the supply chain playbook. Like traditionally, supply chains they depended very heavily on the manual planning, spreadsheets, and the reactive decision making. But after the global disruptions like the pandemic, companies they realized that these traditional models were not resilient enough. So that's where AI started playing a major role. So today AI helps organizations move towards real-time visibility, predictive analytics, and much faster decision across the entire supply chain. Why AI belongs in the supply chain? So one of the biggest reasons AI fits naturally into supply chain operations is the sheer involvement complexity that is involved. So there are thousands of variables like the suppliers, inventory, transportation, the customer demand, the market conditions, and all of this AI can process this much data very faster than humans. So AI identifies the hidden patterns that may not be pretty obvious. So the helping businesses they make smarter and quicker decisions like while improving efficiency and reducing the costs. If you see the business case is pretty clear here. If you see the numbers here, the value of AI is it's not just theoretical anymore. Companies are already seeing measurable business benefits. Like the forecast accuracy itself has significantly improved with the AI driven models. The inventory costs are being reduced, the organizations can respond much faster to the disruptions. So, this directly impacts the profitability, the customer satisfaction, and the overall operational resilience. Supply chain intelligence revolution. So, we are now moving beyond the simple automation into what we call intelligent supply chains. So the difference between the automation and the intelligent supply chains is that AI systems are like they continuously learning and they are adapting instead of following like the fixed set of rules. Like by combining the machine learning, deep learning, and the computer vision, organizations can shift from like the periodic planning to continuous real time decision making. So coming to the AI technology stacks, what what is the hidden mantra behind this AI technology. So these are the hidden heroes. Like this slide, this highlights some of the AI technologies which help supply chain systems. Machine learning helps with like predictions and optimization, and the natural language processing. It helps analyze the unstructured information like emails, contracts, or news. Computer vision is widely used in the warehouses and the quality inspections, while predictive analytics and reinforcement learning help optimize the routing, the scheduling, and the future planning. So let's look at some of the applications in the coming slides. The first one is the demand forecasting. So this is one of the strongest applications of AI in the supply chain. And the traditional forecasting, mainly it relied on the historical sales data only. But AI models can also include the external factors, not just the previous sales data. It's like they focus on the weather conditions, the market trends, the social media activity, and the promotions. So this gives the organization more edge and more accurate forecasts and helps better align the production and the inventory planning. So the advanced forecasting techniques. The modern AI forecasting techniques are becoming extremely advanced. So the deep learning models can analyze like large volumes of unstructured data, while natural language process can even capture the customer sentiment from social media and news. So that's how advanced the AI is become. And technologies like RNN and LSTM are especially useful for the time series forecasting because they can recognize seasonal and repeating demand patterns very effectively. Next application is inventory optimization. So better forecasting, like what we have seen earlier, it naturally leads to better inventory optimization. So AI helps organizations maintain the right inventory at the right location and at the right time. So this reduces overstocking and stockouts, lowers the warehousing costs, and improves the customer satisfaction through better product availability. Proactive risk management. Traditionally, companies responded to disruptions only after the problems occurred. So AI changes this completely by continuously monitoring the global risk signals such as the weather events, the geopolitical situations like what we are currently seeing, and the supply chain, supplier performance, and the financial instability. So, this allows organizations to detect risks early and take preventive action before operations are impacted. The risk mitigation technologies. So, if you see here, this shows some important technologies used for risk mitigation. So the digital twins, this creates like virtual models of supply chain networks so companies can simulate disruptions and test solutions safely, discreetly. I mean, they can discreetly test the systems. And AI can also help evaluate suppliers quickly, generate the real time alerts, and recommend recovery strategies that it minimizes the operational impact. The next application is the optimization. Logistics is another area where AI delivers major improvements. AI systems continuously analyze traffic, the weather, delivery capacity, and the transportation cost to optimize the routing in real time. Unlike the regular static systems, AI can dynamically reroute shipments, they reduce the delays, and improve the delivery performance while lowering the transportation costs. Measuring the impact. Looking at the numbers here, the operational impact of AI in logistics is very significant. And organizations are seeing reductions in the transportation costs, the fuel consumption, and the equipment downtime. At the same time, predictive maintenance helps identify issues before failures occur, improving the operational reliability. Next topic is about the human AI collaboration. So, one important point is that AI is not just replacing humans entirely. And the most successful organizations combine the capabilities of the AI with the human expertise. So, AI is excellent at processing large amounts of data quickly, while humans still they play a very critical role in the strategic thinking, creative relationship management, and ethical decision making. Comparing the strengths of humans versus AI. So, this shows how humans and AI complement each other. So, humans bring judgment, creativity, and contextual understanding, while AI brings speed, scalability, and continuous monitoring. The real competitive advantage comes when both work together and effectively rather than treating like just AI as a replacement for humans. So not every decision, uh, continuing the previous one where comparing with the human replacement, so not every decision should be fully automated. There are a lot of risks also involved with it depending on the area where AI is used. Like some decisions, especially the strategic and the critical related ones, should still remain human centric. Other areas like the demand planning can be AI advised, whereas AI provides more recommendations and the humans approve them. So the routine operational tasks can completely become fully AI driven. The implementation challenges for AI comes from the data. When I say data, it is the quality of the data for the AI implementation. So many organizations still struggle with like fragmented systems, inconsistent data, and some old infrastructure, the outdated infrastructure. So AI models are only as good as the data they receive. So building a strong data foundations is very critical before scaling the AI initiatives. So the implementation challenges like the people and culture. Um, Technology alone is not enough for successful AI adoption. Organizations also face cultural challenges like resistance to change, fear of job displacement, and the lack of trust in the AI recommendations. So that's why communication, training, and the AI literacy become very important during the transformation initiatives. So to maximize the return on investments from the AI investment, organizations should take a structured approach, and they should start with like a small pilot projects, implement measurable baselines, prepare clean data, and continuously track the KPIs. And companies that follow this phased approach generally achieve faster adoption and more sustainable long term value. The future of AI in supply chains. Supply chain future is moving towards the autonomous and highly connected ecosystems. So AI will increasingly work together with technologies like blockchain and the edge computing to create pretty intelligent supply chain networks. We are also seeing growing focus on the sustainability where AI helps optimize both cost efficiency and the environmental impact. To summarize, AI is already transforming every major area of supply chain operations. But the real success factor is not AI alone, it's the collaboration between the intelligence systems and, of course, the human expertise. Organizations that invest in data quality, long term strategy, and workforce readiness will be the ones that lead the next generation of supply chain transformation. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. I hope this presentation provided some useful insights into how AI is reshaping modern supply chains and creating smarter, more resilient business operations. Thank you for your time.